Thank you so much for joining my live this beautiful, lovely, sweet evening here in Benue State, Nigeria. It's a blessing, it's a privilege to be here with you guys, and I'm so excited, so happy to be among you. And you know, as they say, like we say, we say. I'm at work now, and it's very good. It's very good. Welcome, welcome. You're welcome. uh, God is good. God is great. Well, yeah, camera has. Anyone, yeah, I'm good. Quite you know that you. No hustling ya. Di kwa na no na yeah. For your first mobile live streaming, start your first live stream. It may take up to 12 hours once allowed. You can live stream instantly, edit and enter your live stream detail. Thanks for the like. Thank you, Charles. Thank you. I'm here with my bosom. Can I call you bosom colleague or bosom friend? Is it? Are you a bosom friend or you a bosom colleague? Is he a bosom friend or a bosom colleague? Where can we put him? Can we put him in the category of a bosom colleague? The bosom friend. Bosom friend. Hello, FF Hafa. It is. How you doing, man? Thank you for joining. Let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know what you're streaming. Oh, you did Lagos. You did Lagos. Oh, how is Lagos today? How are you enjoying Lagos? How is the Lagos spirit going? How is the Lagos Bali Bali? Lagos Kuru Kuru? Lagos Molidis? Lagos Ebules? Abulegba, aka Lagos Ekpe Expressway. How is the life in Lagos, man? How is the life treating you? Oh, you have a YouTube channel. What's the name of your YouTube channel? Let us know. So what do you do there? Let us know. Let me just know what you do there. Let's know what you do in your house. In sorry, not your house. Let us know what you do on your YouTube channel. After this live streaming, I will subscribe to your YouTube channel and support you. You know. Guys, welcome to my live stream. For me, I'm here at work and just want to take this little time to, come to YouTube and then gist with my YouTube family, subscribers, new and old. You guys are all welcome. You are so special. You are all my VIP. I appreciate you, and you are just the best. So what do you do on your YouTube channel, bro? You might be adverts here. Well, what I need to do, I need to start packing now so that I will not forget something. I need to keep Mbolo's camera here. I want to start packing so that I will not forget anything. This is my shuttle bag, aka my camera bag. I call it my camera bag because it's where I put my cameras, It's very important. Those equipment that are meant to be treated special, like giving them that VIP treatment. Some of us, the way we treat our equipment is very bad. And this is something that always gives you money when you have a job. So for me, my equipment is my VIP. The battery.
Needing cameraman. So they want to have a camera.
Okay, what do you have to see about me? Come on.
How about the sun? Solution, you want to turn to the at the make a video and now the sun and the cameraman now, something like that.
Yeah. Some people they want to use any slight opportunity they get Guys, please, in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you like what I'm doing, support this channel. If you don't subscribe, it's okay. Or you can share my video and watch my other videos. I will appreciate that. Let me know where you're watching me from. If you're watching me from your house, let me know. If you're watching me from your village, let me know. Subscribe to my channel. I have a nice, good looking eating video which I'm planning to post maybe this evening. If all things being equal, I'll post the video this evening for all of you to enjoy. Alright? Because we make these videos for you special because you are our VIP, you know. You are here, always here to support us, watch us, you know, share our videos, comment, you know. It's not easy for someone to come to your channel and then share your video and then comment, you know. It's not easy. But you always do that for us. For me, I don't take that for granted, alright? I really appreciate you, you know. Appreciate you guys, man. You guys are doing just wonderful today. Wonderful. I know we're doing it. There's a reason why I'm just sparking the shit, man. I'm just gonna go home. Couldn't make it. Yeah, mechanic is sucks. I begin all the two life one. Animals with the digging of fun. You must watch you when you want help. You don't want feel, you want fight us. Those of you shutting down, just hold on. Let me subscribe this bit so that I will switch my network.
Anybody when I want to party, I got nothing. I got nothing.
Ope tí ó rẹ́. Hey, I think we can all fit. Yeah, iPhone and I am that. Dieu, wonderful. God, what am I that? Yeah. Didn't get it, man. Oh, welcome back, man. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
I'll be right back. Stay away.
What do you mean by you use all Google account to subscribe? Make me understand. I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying, man.
Who like that?
Yes. No, Peter.
So for the loud music.
No, we're not like that. Yeah, that's good. You know, what kind of content do you create? Let me know the kind of content you create. Then, if I know that, but I'm definitely come to your. I will come to your channel to subscribe. Another.
Cinema. Salut.
Lawrence. Yeah, I'm going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Sorry, my network had issues, so I just connected it back, and I'll connect again. Possible by here office was. I'm checking up. I've just closed from work, so. Lawrence.
YouTubers. What did you call them?
Lawrence. Nana Lawrence Square, yeah. Nana Lawrence Square, yeah.
That's okay, sorry.
Every high that you see Gavin in the brain.
Lawrence.
Yeah, phone here. You don't know now for you now from Sure, don't got Samsung. When I share Canada borrow Samsung.
Live.
Hello everybody. What a pump dolo. What do we see me Kahana? What a Nepal is done. That's live streaming. YouTubers. That's because one on your region. What a hanger. What a you what I'm going for? If I can go.
Hey, get YouTube. So I've subscribed to your channel. So no get issue. You go open it. What else I put now? Sakbujaga. What's that? Nigga, yo, Tamlero. The nigga, yo, Tamlero, Judy, is telling him, Grandma. So I know that YouTube, they don't like somebody streaming mic. YouTube is good. Yeah, madam, partner. Ubana. Bodo nyola. Ana. Lo nyo anyo ko ko yo man nyo na do ko ku ke iya. Your first talk wo ku iya. Tanga wa ngo ho ga. Tanga wa ngo ho ga.
Alikuwa sana na mankele mpe ati wese onu na manali na merufo alo tambu alushe ela jimasi yemendi
Mavihi. Mavihi.
Ora ya alusha
Yenyo ngama.
Olumu mane gedoya
Muka mavihi gona.
ora iya na ona batu ni ya tabe me jambo ora so
Nana la dubu pu. Nana la dubu pu na ku adakure ku ami. Ino dubu pu na ku ku so la. Ora bro ku ai yatsumo mo. Okay. Allah za ku ku. Uya mana hanga? Ya sih ya na sih dua kabe. Seorang aku na.
But you know how I'm going to go.
Ṣé ọmọ kọ̀ ọ̀rá?
Go, yeah.
Lákì yẹn náà ṣé mọ̀ ẹ́?
You know.
Oh. How is somebody? I'm going to say give me a so. Ọkọ̀ àti ọkọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa ń ṣe àríyá máa ń gbọ́. Àṣùwọ̀n mọ̀ náà ń ṣe mọ́.